What you about to do, ball, man?
Get ready to run COVID-19 or Covid-2, whatever they call it. I'm getting ready to drag him down the track.
You gonna drag him down there?
If it hook up, I'm gonna drag him. I'm gonna put distance between us.
For real?
That's right.
You gonna serve him
Take it to the bank. Take it to the bank.
Take it to the bank.
Thank you.
Goddamn, okay. Y'all heard it. Got them bad birds, they finna goddamn drag him down there, motherfucker. COVID. Where COVID at? COVID. Who won COVID? Bad birds ain't finna drag you down the track. Oh, you said the driver? Who y'all all together?
Yeah.
Bad birds ain't finna drag you down the track, man.
That's what they say.
That what they say?
That's what they say. One showing worth 10 telling.
Okay, okay.
So I'm gonna show you what the virus.
I done heard a lot about that COVID now.
I'm gonna show you what the virus look like today.
God damn it, boy, you finna get it to him.
Infecting these motherfuckers in Georgia town.
God damn it.
Georgia.
Wait, so where you from?
Selma.
Selma.
Yeah.
Selma. Okay. Well, I heard a lot about this motherfucker now. Uh-oh. He ain't vaccinated. You should have been vaccinated, ain't you? You finna get it to him.
Yeah, he got the shot. You better hope he done had the shot.
God damn, you finna. God damn it. Ooh, Lord. COVID 2.0 out of Selma. They finna unload on his ass. Bad Bird said he gonna drag it down the track. He said, shit. Finna find out why they call it COVID 2.0. So find out. Here we go. This gonna be a good one, huh? I'll give me one grill away tonight. Bad Bird shit last night. He did right now.
Everything. Get that bird on the back back there.
They got that bird. You got that bird back there?
Get that bird on the back shield back there. Get
That bird back there.
Get that bird back there.
Happy said get that bird. Okay. I'm gonna find out. God damn. Okay, okay. And what all them buttons in there?
Don't get that tag back there. Don't get the tag.
I ain't been back there. I ain't been back there.
Okay.
Got a lot of buttons in here. God damn. That disconnect.
I'm gonna be hitting all of them too.
God damn.
I'm gonna hit all them buttons.
Ooh, Lord. I see that disconnect button.
That's right. There it is.
That's it right there.
That's it.
911.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it,
okay.
baby.
That's
That's
damn
it.
it, man. Oh, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Bad Bird. All right. Who you like right here? COVID. Oh, God damn. Let's see what's going on. Oh, boy, I like COVID. That man right there. COVID. Could this be the first? I can't say it. I can't say it, man. I don't know. Here we go, y'all. Bad Bird versus COVID 2.0. Oh, you don't vote, move up. Over there. Bird Grudge, race of the day. Come on, get in there. Get in there, Bad Bird now. Come on now. Get on in there now. You don't clear it. God damn. Come on, you gonna time out now. Get on in there, Bad Bird.
I'm way over there. I'm way over there.
All right, all right. Gone, man. That big
right, we good?
Yo, talk to me.
Yeah, y'all said Bad Bird's gonna do what? That bitch
Oh, you
tried to
told
go to it if he wants to. He
God
would've got
damn,
tripped up
we
and
got a
flipped
bad
head over heels,
motherfucker, man.
goddammit. He would've been head over heels.
He ain't talking about shit.
First time in low, he would've been head over heels.
God damn.
Fucked up.
God damn. No,